Hello my lovelies. Today we're stitching mistletoe and wine for a Christmas pin badge. You can get the free PDF for this design and the other Christmas minis via the link in this video description. Start with a single strand of DMC colour 410 green. Stem stitch the stem of the mistletoe and use single straight stitches for the bits between the berries. Stitch the mistletoe leaves by backstitching the outside and satin stitching the inside. Stitch the letters for mistletoe in the same colour. Swap to colour 817 red and satin stitch the wine. I then backstitched the top and bottom edges to make them a little neater. Use the same colour for the remaining letters. Next, take colour 160 greyish blue and backstitch the wine glass. Finally, take a strand of colour 3865 off-white and use French knots for the berries, 3 twists for the big ones and 1 twist for the little ones. And again, you can grab the free PDF for this design and the other Christmas minis via the link in this video description.